Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can set up for the first time the robot vacuum NARWAL Freo X Ultra. So, in the first step, of course, you have to unpack the device and connect the dock station to the power outlet. Then, let's go to the robot vacuum. You have to remove the top cover and remove the protection bar from from this place. You're gonna find there's something like a sponge here, so just remove the protection bars, remove the stickers, and on the charging socket we don't have any stickers and anything else. So okay, we can go and install the side brushes. You're gonna find two pieces, so just try to aim the purple to purple and orange to orange. The first one and the second one. Okay, now you can try to turn on your appliance if you don't have the battery, so try just to connect it by these charging sockets to the dock station. So let's try to turn it on. Okay, we don't have the battery, so just try to ride it into the dock station to charge it manually. So in the accessories you're gonna find also the normal dust container. You have also the dust box, and the one is inside also, so you have to decide by yourself which one you want to use. Okay, the robot is turned on. And now we can go to pair it with the Smart application. So if you have a Apple device, you have to turn on the App Store. If you have the Android, Play Store. Then open the search bar and look for the NARWAL app. Install this one and open. Now click on the, if you turning on this app for the first time, you have to register your account, so just type your email and copy the code from the email in the form and you're gonna be logged in. So now click on the plus, add device. Then select your robot vacuum, so the NARWAL Freo X Ultra. Now, as you can see, I have turned off the Bluetooth, so we have to turn it on. Tap on the go to settings and turn on the Bluetooth. Then go back to the application. Click on the next. Enter your password to the Wi-Fi network. If you want to change the network, click on the select Wi-Fi button. Tap on the next. And now we are scanning for the robot.
Network connection failed. Please try again.
Okay, so we got the file. Sometimes you could have a problem if you have the 5 GHz network, but it's a normal situation with the robot vacuums, not only for the NARWAL, from everyone. So let's try to connect it once again, and in the history I just connected always by the second, third time. So once again the password to the Wi-Fi, and click on the next. Okay, so we successfully connect the Wi-Fi network with the appliance, tap on the agree and proceed, and we can start the fast mapping of the home right now. Basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and bye.